One thing we do here at South Mountain Yachts is when one of our listed vessels goes into the shipyard, we like to follow it over there and pay lots of attention to it. Come with me. This is Max, our 1961 Breuil. We're in Larson Shipyard, Newport Beach, California. We're going to have bottom paint and deck work done on her. The owner of this vessel is fastidious as far as maintenance, care, and upkeep of this vessel is. She's a classic and she's in Bristol condition. Starting off at the forward port bow, we see we've got the bow pulpit, a little bit of paint blistering there, which is one of the reasons why we're in this shipyard here in Newport Beach, California. Coming down along the side, checking out the bottom, we see she's nice and clean. She's going to be scraped and repainted. 3 coats underneath, 4 at the waterline. Now looking down underneath, we see we do have 1 or 2 spots, which will all be taken care of by our professional staff here at Larson Shipyard. Down along this side, we see we've got some paint that's falling off. Here on the port rudder, we see she's nice and tight. Got a nice spin on the props. Notice no dents or dings in there, and how easily she spins. Let's try in the other direction. Nice and tight. Pulling back, we've got our transom. Now this mahogany swim step is getting resurfaced also. And of course, we'll end up with a new zinc here. Checking out starboard rudder, nice and tight. Starboard prop, good spin. If you notice how nice and easy it's spinning, no dents or dings in those propeller blades either. She's nice and tight there. What a pretty bottom on Max. And then circling down around the starboard side, we can see the wooden lapstrake hull. And from here down, this has all been glassed in, so there's no concerns there. Here we have another spot that will be taken care of. And then checking out the bottom, we see she's nice and smooth. And here we are, starboard bow on Max. It's a quick bottom walk around while she's out in the shipyard. Here at the bow, we can see the layer of paint has been taken down on Max. We've got obviously the dinghy off. We're redoing this deck just so she's in top condition for the next owner. As you can see under the fiberglass, we've got the mahogany wood, and that's in excellent condition. And then here we see the layers right here. Now all this will be removed, recoated, and then resurfaced. The owner of Max is very meticulous on the care and feeding of this classic 1961 Breuil. Well, folks, you've been with me through this whole renovation on the deck on Max. Let's see how she turned out. She's got new decking, new paint, new varnish here, and added insulation. Let's see. This gives us a view of the new deck on Max. Coming down along the side, we can see the workmanship that's been done. Notice the house is nice and shiny, new paint. Here we are coming down along the port side of Max, checking out the new deck and the new deck coloring on there. We've redone the aggressive non-skid, matched the deck to the hull colors, and added insulation. We've also painted portions of the house to keep her in ultra-fine condition. This concludes the R&R on Max, the 1961 Breuil, for sale here at South Mountain Yachts. Viewer today, owner tomorrow, and enjoyer for years to come.